Hello, digital heroes. Welcome to your first mission briefing. Our lives are more connected than ever, but with that comes new risks. Hackers and scammers lurking online. You have the power to protect your family, no cape required, just a bit of knowledge and teamwork. Your mission: become your family's cybersecurity champion. We'll cover simple, practical steps to keep your digital life safe. No tech jargon, just easy tips. Learn to spot fake messages, create strong passwords, and secure your accounts. Every family member has a role, from tech-savvy kids to wise grandparents. By working together, you'll build a strong defense and bring your family closer. Ready to unlock your inner digital hero? Let's begin! Here's a true story. Bill, a grandfather, got a call from someone claiming to be his bank. The caller urgently asked for his account number and password to protect his money. Bill almost fell for it, but remembered his granddaughter's advice. Banks never ask for passwords over the phone. He paused, hung up, and called the official number on his bank card. The bank confirmed it was a scam. Bill's quick thinking saved his savings and made him a family legend. You don't need tech skills to be a digital hero, just a healthy dose of skepticism. Always verify before sharing information. If in doubt, hang up and call the real company. Remember, never trust, always verify. Your strongest weapon online? A powerful password. Weak passwords are like leaving your front door wide open. Create a passphrase, a long, memorable sentence like, "Grandma bakes the best cookies 2024. Make it at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Use a different passphrase for every important account. Worried about remembering them all? Use a password manager, a secure vault for your passwords. You only need to remember one master password. The manager fills in the rest, keeping your account safe. Don't reuse passwords. Each account deserves its own key. Strong, unique passphrases are your first line of defense. Even the best password can be stolen, so add a second lock, two-factor authentication, 2FA. With 2FA, logging in requires your password and a one-time code sent to your phone. If a hacker gets your password, they still can't get in without your phone. Enable 2FA on your email, bank, and social media accounts. It's a small extra step, but a huge boost in security. Check your account settings for the 2FA option. This simple tool stops most online villains in their tracks. Make 2FA your digital sidekick. It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective. Double up for double the safety. Your home Wi-Fi is the gateway to your digital world. Lock it down. Don't use your name or address for your network name. Pick something generic and fun. Change the default Wi-Fi password to a strong, unique passphrase. Write it down and keep it safe for family and guests. Update your router's software regularly. These updates fix security holes. Most routers update automatically, but check every few months. Secure Wi-Fi keeps strangers out and your family's data safe. Think of it as installing a sturdy lock on your digital front door. A few simple steps make your home network a fortress. Social media is great for sharing, but be smart about what you post. Don't announce travel plans or personal details. Wait until you're home to share vacation photos. Only accept friend requests from people you know in real life. Scammers use fake profiles to trick you and steal information. Check your privacy settings so only friends see your posts. Encourage your family to review their settings regularly. Share updates in your private circle, not with the whole world. Protect your family's privacy like you would your home. You control who sees your information. Use that power. The best cybersecurity tool? Teamwork. Every family member brings unique skills. Kids help with tech, adults share wisdom. Talk openly about online safety. Share tips, ask questions, and help each other. Create a family safe word to verify emergency calls or messages. If someone calls claiming to be a family member in trouble, ask for the safe word. Make cybersecurity a regular topic. At dinner, ask if anyone saw suspicious emails. Encourage everyone to speak up about online concerns. A united family is the strongest defense against digital threats. Teach, learn, and protect each other. Together, you're unstoppable. Congratulations, digital heroes. You've completed your training. You now know how to spot scams, build strong passwords, and secure your digital life. Cybersecurity is about smart habits. Stay alert and keep learning. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, Pause and verify. You don't need to be a tech expert to stay safe. Just be smart and engaged. Share your knowledge with friends and family. By working together, you make the digital world safer for everyone. Your mission: stay smart, stay vigilant, and keep being digital heroes. The adventure continues. Enjoy the internet safely and confidently.